Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Certainly. Managing multiple Python versions can be essential for various projects, as different projects may require different versions of Python. In this tutorial, we'll explore how to use different Python versions using tools like virtualenv and pyenv. We'll also touch upon venv, which is a built-in module in Python for creating virtual environments. Pyenv is a popular tool for managing multiple Python versions. To install it, follow these steps. On Unix-based systems, Linux or macOS, follow the instructions printed by the installer to add pyenv to your shell profile. On Windows, download and run the pyenv win installer. Now that pyenv is installed, you can use it to install different Python versions. List available Python versions. Install a specific Python version. Replace March 8, 12 with the version you want. Set a global Python version or local version for a directory. Or, virtualenv is a tool that creates isolated Python environments. It's useful for project-specific dependencies. Install virtualenv. Create a virtual environment. This command creates a virtual environment named venv in your current directory. Activate the virtual environment. On Unix or Mac OS. On Windows, your shell prompt should change, indicating that the virtual environment is active. Install packages within the virtual environment. Any packages installed while the virtual environment is active will be isolated to that environment. Deactivate the virtual environment when done. Starting from Python 3.3, Python includes the venv module for creating virtual environments. Create a virtual environment. Activate the virtual environment. On Unix or Mac OS. On Windows, install packages and work within the virtual environment as described in step 3. Deactivate the virtual environment when done. Now you have the tools to manage multiple Python versions and create isolated environments for your projects. Whether using pyenv for version management or virtualenv/venv for creating isolated environments, these practices can help you maintain a clean and organized Python development environment. ChatGPT